Hello there, and a very warm welcome. Today, we're diving into the surprising uses of molasses in organic gardening. Stay tuned to learn how this sweet addition can transform your garden. Molasses, a byproduct of sugar refining, is a dark, viscous liquid that holds a surprising amount of goodness for the intricate web of life that supports our plants. We'll delve into its role in enriching the soil, managing pests naturally, and other ingenious applications. So, find a comfortable spot, perhaps with a cup of tea, and let's uncover the magic that molasses can bring to your own patch of green. Welcome to our channel. Let's begin where all good gardening starts, with the soil. Molasses is rich in sugars, feeding beneficial microorganisms. It boosts their activity, creating a healthier soil structure. A happy soil biome is the cornerstone of a flourishing garden. These microbes break down organic matter, releasing nutrients. Adding molasses supercharges their efforts. The sugars lead to a population boom of beneficial microbes. This helps aerate the soil, improve water retention, and make nutrients more available. Molasses contains essential micronutrients like iron, sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. It's a wonderful supplement, not a complete fertilizer. Some compounds in molasses can help unlock minerals for plant roots. There are several ways to apply molasses to your soil. One simple method is as a soil drench. Dilute a tablespoon or two per gallon of water. You can do this every few weeks during the growing season. Another method is to incorporate molasses into your compost tea. This results in a richer, more potent tea. You can also add molasses directly to your compost heap. Just dilute it and sprinkle it over the heap. For vermiculture, a little diluted molasses can be a treat for your worms. It's about layering these beneficial practices. The synergy created can be quite astonishing. Molasses is a remarkable natural enhancer. Now, let's turn our attention to another challenge that every gardener faces: pests. Molasses can play a surprising and helpful role in pest management, both directly and indirectly. Healthier plants with strong cell walls and vigorous growth are naturally more resilient to pest attacks. By using molasses to boost overall plant vitality, you're creating a first line of defense. Some gardeners have found that a foliar spray of diluted molasses can deter certain soft-bodied pests like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Mix a teaspoon of molasses per litre of water and spray it onto the affected foliage. Beyond deterring unwanted visitors, molasses can attract beneficial insects to your garden. A light spray of diluted molasses on plant leaves can mimic nectar, providing an energy source for beneficial insects like lacewings and hoverflies. These creatures will then prey on the pests you don't want, helping to keep their populations in check naturally. One specific use of molasses is in the control of fire ants. A drench made from molasses, water, and sometimes orange oil or compost tea is poured directly onto the ant mounds. The theory is that the molasses solution either suffocates the ants or encourages microbial activity that makes the mound uninhabitable. When using molasses as a foliar spray, moderation is key. Too much can lead to a sticky residue that might attract sooty mold. A light, fine mist is all that's required. Using molasses for pest control is part of an integrated pest management strategy. Molasses offers a gentle, natural way to tip the scales in your favour. It's fascinating how a single, simple substance can have such a diverse range of applications in the garden. One such application is as a compost activator. A well-functioning compost heap transforms kitchen scraps and garden waste into black gold. Adding diluted molasses can give it a real kickstart. The sugars provide an instant energy source for decomposing microorganisms, boosting their activity and raising the temperature of the pile. This acceleration means you get that wonderful finished compost much quicker. Dilute the molasses in water, perhaps a cup of molasses to a few gallons of water, and pour it evenly over your compost heap. It's particularly useful if your compost heap has a lot of carbon-rich brown materials and not enough green nitrogen-rich materials. The molasses provides the energy the microbes need to tackle those tougher carbonaceous materials. Now for a more unusual use: tree stump removal. Drill several holes into the top and sides of the stump, making them as deep as possible. Pour undiluted molasses into these holes, filling them up. The high sugar content will attract fungi and bacteria that specialize in breaking down woody material. Cover the stump with a dark plastic sheet or a thick layer of mulch to retain moisture. It's a slow process, but it's a natural chemical-free alternative to stump grinders or harsh chemicals. The stump will gradually soften and decay from the inside out, eventually becoming easy to break apart and remove. From the soil beneath our feet to the very structure of our plants, molasses offers a helping hand. Sometimes the answer is as simple and as sweet as molasses. Well, there we have it. A journey into the surprising world of molasses in the garden. It's a humble ingredient, yet it possesses a remarkable ability to enrich our soil, support our plants, and help manage garden challenges naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! Experiment with molasses in your own garden. Every garden is unique, and the joy lies in discovering what works best for your particular patch of earth. Until next time, goodbye for now.